Good morning, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, family, today is going to be another episode of Fish Fry Friday, Reeling with Rosie, Captain Hook. All right, family, so we're at my favorite spot, my #1 favorite spot. #2 doesn't even hold a candle to it. We're at Holbrook Park. The reason this is my favorite park is it fits all of the C's. And the way I rank a fishing spot is but 4 C's, which is comfort, catch, clean, and cook. By that, I mean, like here at Holbrook, I'm underneath an oak tree. I'm comfortable. I can fish almost all day. And if I'm not directly in the shade, I can find shade and clean the catch. If there's fish in the water and there's a possibility I can catch 2, 3, 4, 10 fish. The clean and the cook, all self-explanatory. If it's somewhere I can set the Jeep up, I can clean my fish, and I can cook them right here if I choose to, which I haven't done on the channel as of yet, is a complete catch, clean, and cook, but it's coming. So, all right, family, we're going to go ahead and get set up. We're going to get our ice chest over here on our little spot. We're going to go ahead and get our reels and everything set up, and we're going to get to the water. And today, we got brother-in-law on the channel. He's over here fishing on the other side of where I fish from. So we'll be getting some clips of him from time to time if he's pulling in the big one. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. Fam, I was just gonna set up and throw my line out until we finish getting set up, and I caught one on the first freaking cast. Check it out, fam. I hope that's a sign of how good the day is gonna be, but you never know. It could be one and done. We're gonna get over here, we're gonna throw back in. This is not a keeper, by the way. There's no need of me even measuring him. But like I said, I did see that barber go down 30 seconds in, fam. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we're gonna cast in again and see what happens. We're gonna go over here and see what brother-in-law's up to and see how he's working out. All right, fam, we'll be right back. Uh-oh, I see brother-in-law bent back over there. Let's see what's happening with brother-in-law. All right, brother-in-law said he got a small one. But that's about your 5th one, though. 8th one? So how long you been here? About a half hour? Yeah. Yes, sir. All right. It ain't going to be an excellent day, maybe, but you never know. It could turn around.
I'm telling you.
Tell the family good morning, brother-in-law.
Morning, YouTube channel. How y'all doing?
Absolutely.
They in here this morning.
Yes, indeed. And that's a bit of a turnaround for us because they haven't been in here in recent months.
You got to catch 3 to get...
There it is. That's right. You got to catch 3, 4 small ones to get a big one. But it's worth it.
Yes, it is. Seeing that baller go down.
Yes, indeed. There he is, fam. I think I'm going to spend most of my time filming brother-in-law this morning because he's going to be setting that hook. All right, fam. I'm going to go put my GoPro camera on, get strapped up, and I will be back.
Peace.
Yeah. All right, fam, let's go right over here in my favorite little spot next to these down trees and see if we don't, make sure we don't, that was a little weak. Want to make sure we don't overcast and get caught up in those freaking trees. think we can do a little better than that. Get right here in the thick of things. And no, I have not cleaned my reel yet, but I will. Boom! There it is, perfect cast, Rosie. And she's gone, baby. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. He caught that thing. He must have been sitting there waiting on it, looking at it in the air like Air Jordan. Oh yeah. And my first keeper. Booyah. Yes, sir. All right, that spot always pays off, fam. Oh yeah. Not quite the cast I was looking for. Let's get back right there in the thick of things. Ooh, maybe, fam. Got something toying with it. And here come the turtles. All right, let's rebait. They robbed me. All right, family, y'all can see I get all into it. That's why my reels are always dirty. I got to start cleaning them after every session. Not that it gets matters, because it's going to just get dirty again the next day. Boom! Right there, fam. Beautiful cast, Rosie. Let's see what's sitting there. Is anything waiting on us? Oh, you can't tell me that was the only one sitting there. Tell me it's a family affair. Tell me there was a mom, dad, 5, 6 children. Missed him. Damn it. Oh, I still got something. Toying with it. All right, fam, I think we got a little one right here. Finally, maybe we got the one that was robbing us. Oh, is that a freaking, oh, we got him? We got a little one. Not quite pan size yet though, fam. Oh yeah. Come back and see Big Daddy when you grow up. I should throw you in the cooler just because. It causing me all these freaking problems. Put you over here. There you go. All right, fam, we got one of our problem children out of the way. All right, fam, brother-in-law got a sandwich coming in over there. What is he? All right, all right. Oh yeah, fam, check that out. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a big hand man size. All right, so they ain't gone yet. All right, fam, there you go. All right, brother-in-law, how many of that for the day?
7 keepers.
7 keepers?
Yep.
All right, nice, nice. All right.
Look at here.
Oh, that's a big hand. Yes, sir, all the way down to the wrist.
So they can see it right.
Yep, sir, there you go. All right, beautiful. All right, thick. Yes, sir. All right, fam, got it going on. Let's get back out here and see can we bring in another one. All right, fam, brother-in-law done brought in another one. Hand size?
Oh, yeah.
All right. The sweet spot. All right, fam, well, we're gonna keep working it. Let brother-in-law keep loading up the cooler. Call this the Richard Smith Show. All right, fam. finally got another one. But it don't feel like it's gonna be a keeper. But I did get to set the hook. Nope. Do a field test. Boom. Not quite, young fella. Go back and grow up. Come back and see me. All right. Get this hook out. Let's go back in that same spot with the same little bit of worm. See what happens. Got one toying with it, trying to take it home. That was a little piece of worm. Probably already finished it off. Maybe not. Oh, that feels like a good one, fam. Feels like a good one. Yeah, buddy. He's hung up in all this crap, but he is coming home. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, fam. Definitely a keeper. Oh, yeah. There he is. Yes, sir. Ow. Hey, hey, hey. Cut that out. It's too late. It's over. Should have fought more earlier. All right, fam. There he is. I think that's only keeper number 2 or 3 for me, but I am loving it. Get on in there, cold water. All right. All right, fam. Me and brother-in-law been out here now probably about 4 hours. We have caught numerous. I think brother-in-law got about double digits keepers. Oh, and there we go. Sit y'all down and set the hook.
Ooh.
Ah. He was just swimming with it. But fam, that's the kind of action we're having right now. The brother-in-law's fishing the left-hand corner. I'm fishing the right-hand corner. We decided to join forces and see if we empty this pond. And that's the thing I like about Holbrook, fam. We got a pond and we got the river. Now, me and brother-in-law are not fishing the river today. Oh, look at that, instantaneous. Come on, get back on it.
Gone.
Got him. Fam, they're not keepers, but it's constant. But their parents in there somewhere. Trust and believe.
It is the cooler.
Yeah, yeah, brother-in-law got all their parents. Their whole generation got knocked out. There ain't no grandparents left, nothing. So now I'm catching is the kids. Third. All right, fam, like I said, I only like to keep these videos, man, something big just turn on over there. We like to keep these videos around. Oh, I can't finish it. I can't finish. Good googly moogly. You let go. All right, fam, like I was trying to say, I think we could go ahead and bring this one in for a landing. We're going to keep fishing, but I just want to introduce y'all to Holbrook Park, and here we go. Was that your phone?
Yep.
Trying to give us the latest news. The latest news is that this pond is finna go empty because brother-in-law is setting that hook on a consistent basis. But like I was trying to say, fam, we're gonna go ahead and bring this video in for a landing, call this one good, and we're gonna keep fishing. But I just want to introduce y'all to Holbrook Park and the pond, and next time we're out here, we'll introduce y'all to the river. All right, family, y'all take care, have a great day, and we'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
Peace.